Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. In today's story, we bring you a romantic and emotional English story, perfect for improving your listening, pronunciation, and vocabulary. This is the story of Nora and Owen, two strangers who never should have met, but one wrong text message changed everything. What starts as a simple mistake becomes a beautiful connection, and maybe something more. This story is written in clear, slow English, ideal for beginner to intermediate learners. Let's begin the journey. Nora sat on her bed, holding her phone. Her fingers moved quickly as she typed a message. "I'm finally doing it. I'm quitting tomorrow." She stared at the screen for a second, then hit send. The message flew off into the digital sky. But a second later, she frowned. Wait, did I send that to Mia? She checked the chat. No, it wasn't Mia. It was someone named Owen? Who's Owen? She whispered. She didn't know an Owen. She had sent the message to the wrong number. Her heart sank. But before she could panic, a reply came. Owen, that's bold. Whatever you're quitting, I hope it makes you happy. Nora stared at the screen. She smiled. And for some reason, she replied. Nora, sorry, wrong number, but thanks. I needed that. The next day, Nora received another message from the same number. Owen, did you quit? Just checking in. Nora laughed, then typed, Nora, not yet, but I will. Soon, I'm just scared. Owen, fear means it matters. I say go for it. And that was the beginning. They started texting, short, friendly, real. Nora learned that Owen was a teacher. Owen learned that Nora worked in a law office, but wanted to be a writer. They didn't talk about personal details. No last names, no cities. Just honest, open messages. And every day, Nora waited for his texts. One evening, Owen sent, Hey, can we make a rule? No Googling each other. No social media. Just talk. Just words. Nora replied, I like that. Words are enough. So they continued, like old-fashioned pen pals, text by text. They told stories, shared memories, talked about fears, dreams, movies they loved, books they hated. Owen recommended music. Nora sent poems she wrote. Their connection grew, slow and warm, like morning sun. Days turned into weeks. Nora felt lighter, happier. Her coworkers noticed. You smile more, one said. Nora thought, yeah, because of a stranger. One night, Owen sent, I had a bad day today. Can I tell you why? She replied, always. He told her how a student cried after failing a test, how he felt like he couldn't help anyone. She listened. You help me, she wrote. They had never spoken by voice, only text. But one evening, Nora typed, Can I hear you just once? A pause. Then, a voice note. Owen's voice was soft, kind, with a little nervous laugh. Hi, Nora. You've been in my head all day. Thought maybe I should say hi the real way. Nora played the message 3 times. Then she recorded one too. Hi, Owen. This is weird, but really nice. That night, they sent voice messages instead of texts, and it felt even more real. One day, Nora didn't reply. Then 2. Owen waited. Then finally, a message. I'm sorry, I need to stop this. It's not you, it's me. I'm scared it's becoming too real. Take care, Owen. He didn't reply right away, but later he sent one last message. I get it, but for what it's worth, knowing you changed something in me. I hope you find your story. And then, silence. A month passed. Nora felt lost. The world felt quiet. She tried to write. She couldn't. One night, she sat in a cafe, writing in her journal. She looked at the people around her. Then, she heard a voice. Familiar. Excuse me, are you Nora? She looked up. A man stood there. Glasses. Book in hand. Her heart jumped. Owen? He nodded. I thought it might be you. You left your name once, and I remembered the cafe name from something you said. She smiled, nervous. Wow, this is real. He sat across from her. Very real, he said. From that day, things changed. No more wrong numbers. No more hidden voices. They became real people in each other's lives. They started slowly. Coffee, walks, talking in person. The texts never stopped, though. Just, now with kisses at the end. Nora finally quit her job. She started writing. Really writing. Owen helped her edit. She helped him dream. 1 year later, they sat on a bench. Owen had a small box in his hand. I have a question, he said. Nora smiled. I might have an answer. He opened the box. A ring. I sent a message once. It went to the wrong number, but it led to you. Will you write the next chapters of life with me? Nora's eyes filled with tears. She nodded. Yes, always. Thank you for listening to The Wrong Text, a message that changed everything. We hope this romantic English story helped you enjoy English and feel connected through words. Like, subscribe, share your favorite moment in the comments. Learn English Zone, stories that touch the heart and grow your English.